The man has a beard.
The man has a beard.
The girl has long hair.
The girl has long hair.
My friend wears glasses.
My friend wears glasses.
The woman is very tall.
The woman is very tall.
This girl is short.
This girl is short.
The baby has blue eyes.
The baby has blue eyes.
This person is quite old.
This person is quite old.
My sister is thin.
My sister is thin.
The man is strong.
The man is strong.
These people are young.
These people are young.
The woman has blonde hair.
The woman has blonde hair.
That man has a mustache.
That man has a mustache.
My brother has short hair.
My brother has short hair.
The girl has curly hair.
The girl has curly hair.
This boy has brown eyes.
This boy has brown eyes.
The man is bald.
The man is bald.
My mother has a kind face.
My mother has a kind face.
The child has a big smile.
The child has a big smile.
That lady has a green hat.
That lady has a green hat.
My father has gray hair.
My father has gray hair.
The girl is wearing a dress.
The girl is wearing a dress.
The man is wearing a suit.
The man is wearing a suit.
My friend has a blue shirt.
My friend has a blue shirt.
The woman has a warm coat.
The woman has a warm coat.
That boy has a yellow t-shirt.
That boy has a yellow t-shirt.
The student has a backpack.
The student has a backpack.
My sister wears white sneakers.
My sister wears white sneakers.
This man has a red tie.
This man has a red tie.
The girl is wearing a skirt.
The girl is wearing a skirt.
Those people wear uniforms.
Those people wear uniforms.
The doctor has a white coat.
The doctor has a white coat.
My boss looks very busy.
My boss looks very busy.
The teacher is speaking.
The teacher is speaking.
The police officer is serious.
The police officer is serious.
That nurse is friendly.
That nurse is friendly.
My coach is very fast.
My coach is very fast.
The waiter has a tray.
The waiter has a tray.
This artist has a brush.
This artist has a brush.
The driver is in the car.
The driver is in the car.
My neighbor has a dog.
My neighbor has a dog.
This boy looks surprised.
This boy looks surprised.
The girl is very happy.
The girl is very happy.
My friend feels tired.
My friend feels tired.
The woman is laughing.
The woman is laughing.
That man looks angry.
That man looks angry.
The baby is crying.
The baby is crying.
My family is together.
My family is together.
The couple is dancing.
The couple is dancing.
This person is beautiful.
This person is beautiful.
Everyone is having fun.
Everyone is having fun.